No, Sing is Bling has got nothing to do with Sing is King anything. सिर्फ सिंह इज़ अ कॉमन टाइटल, दैट्स इट, बिकॉज ये एक सरदार जी कैरेक्टर की, मतलब रफ्तार सिंह मेरा नाम है, जबकि सिंह इज़ किंग के अंदर नाम मेरा हैप्पी सिंह था, और उससे मतलब उसके परिवार और इसके परिवार से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, इसकी कहानी उसकी कहानी से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, ये बिल्कुल अलग कहानी है। सिर्फ द ओनली कॉमन थिंग इज़ दैट आई एम प्लेइंग अ सरदार जी इन इट, एंड उसमें भी वैसा ही था बस। दिस इज़ माई सेकेंड फिल्म, ऐसा नहीं है मैंने कोई बहुत खेला हुआ है। इट इज़ बिकॉज सी जो सरदार जी की जो कौम है ये बड़ी लार्जर देन, you know, and they are very large-hearted, and so I just enjoy that character moves in very. I don't have to actually think about it; it just moves in. So, so playing that character, I wouldn't say it was a challenging role. To be honest, it was not a challenging role. It's a role which I can play आँख बंद करके भी कर सकता हूँ, and that's it. Oh well, we decided to make this film because we had some different script, but then this script came in and we were not happy with the first one, and we kept on researching, and even the film got delayed for 3 months, 4 months because of this only, because of the script problem. And then now, then we decided that let's make this film. It's a film we should explore. And it's been a long time that I have not played a Sardarji, and that's it. It's just everything ek ke upar ek aa gaya, and everything was fine.
It was a huge break for me. It was completely unexpected as well, because actually there was another actress on board for the film, and for some reasons that didn't work out. And I met with Ashwini early in January when I was promoting for I. And I came to Bombay, and that was it basically.
Well, Amy suits the role perfectly, because one trait which this character has, that she doesn't speak Hindi. So, and Amy at the moment is learning how to speak Hindi, and this was perfect for her to get into Bollywood. And my character is, I don't know how to speak English, so we blended perfectly for this character. So that's how she came in, and she's beautiful, she's talented. She's coming from that area which is called the professional area, that's south of India, South films. No, I'm not upset with anything like that, because as I told you, we were delayed for about 4 to 5 months because of we were not satisfied with the script, and I can understand, because people cannot wait. They have to carry on, they have to work ahead. And Shah Rukh's film is a big film for her, and I think she did the right decision.
I wouldn't say it's a mistake. Obviously, I started my career in South India with a Tamil film, and my first Hindi project was with a Tamil script with a Tamil director. So that just happened. It wasn't a choice. It was by pure chance. And obviously, since then, I've continued with South films like Yevadu and I. And I think that's made me grow, and as Akshay says, the South is very professional, and it's taught me a lot, and I think that's made me prepare for a mainstream Bollywood film. I was nervous at first, before I met Akshay, but as soon as I met him, he's very humble, he's very grounded, and he's given me a lot of advice throughout filming. I'm learning Hindi now, and as Akshay says in the film, I'm completely new to the language, completely new to India, and we have Lara, who's a translator, and that's how the love story happens and causes a bit of mayhem in between. So now, obviously, I want to continue in Hindi cinema, so it's vital that Hindi is number one for me.
पहले से भी ऐसे ही है. No, it's not that I've done doing it for the first time. I have worked since last so many years. I've worked with 16 new heroines, and Amy is the 16th one. It's not a radar. I don't target for them. I want them. They are working ahead, and this movie required somebody like Amy, and it is possible. I'm working on the contrary with Sonakshi. I'm working ahead with more. Another girl, new girl, I'm going to be launching another one. So it's not that I think like that. It just happens all the time. And it's not only my solo decision, it is it's also my producers, my director's decision. So all the decision comes together, and it's also a very vital decision is taken by the writer also, who writes the script and who thinks who's going to suit the role. So there are a lot of people's decision comes in when it comes to cast an actress. I had to, because you have to understand, you have to make films, you have to live in this industry, and economics has to be taken care. It is very important that an actor should not only read a script but also read the trade magazine. They should also know what the businesses are doing. It is important that we go, like every week I watch at least about 1 or 2 films which releases, and if I miss it, then I watch it on the aircraft. And so it is important that an actor should not only know his script but also the trade. And so the economics will change according to what is going on and what is not. इसके अंदर action, obviously there's a comedy action, there's serious action, but she has done, इन्होंने बहुत action किया है इस film के अंदर. She has 2 to 3 solo action.
I loved it. To be honest, I didn't realise beforehand, before learning about martial arts and kickboxing, that I'd really enjoy it. So we practiced and we trained 3 months prior.
Let me just interrupt in between. That her action, I have seen the film, I have seen the edited version of action. She's brilliant in action. The way, because action is not about just knowing how to kick or punch someone. It's basically also about attitude. कि punch मारने के बाद that face expression, which is the most important thing, which we always learnt it from Bruce Lee. You know, मारने के बाद जो उसका face expression रहता था, the toughness used to come after looking at his face, not about the kick the way he used to kick. किक तो बहुत मार्शल आर्टिस्ट हैं जो कर सकते हैं, बहुत अच्छा कर सकते हैं, बट ये कहाँ से लाएंगे?
I learned from the best though. He helped me a lot actually.
No, but that is the attitude. I cannot help you because you did it on your own. I think you should thank your genes. She's been in this industry more than I and you have been, so she knows how the industry is, and there's nothing called possessiveness, and it is. It's absolutely the trust factor is there, and that's it.
I haven't had a chance to yet, but
I'll give it to you.
Please do.
I'll
I
give it to
met Twinkle on sets in Goa, and she seems fantastic.
The last book I read was when I was studying, and after that I didn't read anything. I'm more of a DVD.
At least you're honest.
Yeah, I've not read it. I'm saying, I regret it that I read it and I take it slowly because I am a slow reader. आराम से मैं देखता हूँ. I can read my scripts like this, but books and all, it takes for me. It takes time, and I'm reading a book, and it's a big deal for me to read a book which is about 180, 200 pages, and I actually don't need to also read it because I know the whole thing, the whole situation. The whole thing is about us, and it's about the whole experience what she gets it from outside, and she writes it down. And वैसे भी मैंने before she has written down, I read it, and if there's anything I find something wrong, then I tell her that I think don't write about this because it can get controversial, and you know how much I run away from controversy. Yes, as much as possible, because I hate that